Hey, today we're going to talk about the anime Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill. The story follows Tsuyoshi Mukuda, who is summoned to a fantasy world as a hero along with 3 others. However, unlike his companions, Mukuda's only skill is online grocery shopping, but don't be fooled by his seemingly useless skill. Mukuda uses his online grocery skill to order food and products from Japan instantly, which helps him during his travels in the fantasy world. He even becomes a successful traveling trader and cook thanks to his legendary wolf monster companion, Fel. Together, they sell valuable monster parts and discover new ingredients to cook with. This anime is full of absurd moments, from cooking food with magical powers to battling monsters with cooking utensils. But despite all the challenges he faces, Mukuda thrives in the fantasy world and makes a name for himself as a successful adventurer. So if you're looking for an anime filled with adventure, humor, and delicious food, be sure to check out Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill.
俺のせいか田舎ではキャベツって言うんですけど牛後ろでは行くぞ
Sure, I'd be happy to provide a longer text on the topic of Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill. Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill is a fascinating anime that takes viewers on a journey of self-discovery and growth. The show's main character, Toru, is transported to a fantasy world and discovers that he has a unique talent for cooking over an open flame. With this newfound skill, Toru embarks on a quest to help others and make a name for himself in this new world. The show emphasizes the importance of perseverance and determination in the face of adversity. Toru faces many challenges throughout his journey, but he never gives up. He uses his creativity and ingenuity to overcome obstacles, and he never loses sight of his goals. This message of resilience and perseverance is an important one, especially in today's world, where many people are struggling to overcome challenges and achieve their dreams. Another important theme of the show is the value of human connection. Toru meets many different characters throughout his journey, and he learns the importance of working together and helping others. He discovers that his cooking skills can be used to bring people together and create a sense of community, even in a world that is vastly different from his own. This message of unity and compassion is especially relevant in today's world, where many people are feeling isolated and disconnected. Overall, Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill is a must-watch for anyone looking for a heartwarming and inspiring anime. The show's emphasis on strength, willpower, and human connection is a powerful reminder of the value of perseverance and the importance of helping others. It encourages viewers to think about their own talents and how they can use them to make a positive difference in the world.